Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another little video on Chloe's little Corsa D 2009 1.2, and basically what we're looking at today, hopefully really quick one again because I waffled far too much on the other one, is a very common oil leak on these engines, probably on many other ones, and it is the oil pressure switch. Now I've had to do this on Tom's little Corsa as well, which is the same engine, and his was leaking a lot worse than this, or a lot more badder. You get the drift. You get the gist. But yeah, basically, it's not actually leaking from the threaded part back there, which you can't see. The threaded part at the back. It's leaking from the electrical end, so to speak. So, if you pop that off, oh, you can see, look how much oil's come out of it. So that is absolutely soaked in oil inside, and it's coming from through the actual pressure switch. It still works, the light works and everything, but we're going to change that. I've got another one. I need to clean myself up, and then we'll get to it. So I've sort of washed my hands off, and here's a replacement from Euro Car Parts, and I think it was about £12. And it should come with a seal, a replacement seal, not but a seal. Okay, just on there. It's like a soft washer, so plonk that there. It's not hard, this, but to get this out, we'll put just a bit of rag underneath. It is a 24mm spanner. Actually, before I start, probably best to clean this up a little bit. Yeah, let's clean some of that plug out with a bit of brake cleaner. I'll get the rest of it off, because it will evaporate off, and it will also get rid of all the oil. There, look at that, splendid. Right, let's bung that rag underneath just in case. It shouldn't be, there might be a bit of oil in behind, but so yeah, we just undo this one. Nice and easy. That one should spin off. Make sure you get the seal off with the old one, and just in case it drips, I've got the other one ready. Sorry if my hand's in the way. That was a little dribble there. Make sure it's nice and clean, and then put in the replacement. Easier said than done. Let's try it. Sorry, I'm going to cover you up. That's better. I'm making a right mess again. See why we needed that rag underneath now, didn't you? And then we just nip it up with said spanner. Just a little nip, doesn't need to be too tight because we don't want to crack the threads out in the head. And then you need to find the little tab and plug this back in. There, job. Right, that's that one all done. Now I do have to apologise. I think that recorded in portrait, not landscape. If I can fiddle it around when I'm editing, I will. And this will make absolutely no sense to you. Right, well that's it. Job done. Nice little job to do. Easy peasy. About £10.50 I think the part was from Euro Car Parts. Next time you open your bonnet on your Corsa D, have a look if it's a 1.2 and that's where the position is of the oil switch or pressure switch. Have a look, if it's leaking, get it changed, because it isn't going to get any better. Tom's was leaking quite bad. If I can find the footage, which I can't promise, I'll put it in here. And it drips. But anyway, so if this was any use to you, please give us a thumbs up, and well, I hope to see you next time. Cheers then. please give us a thumbs up. Oh, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to have to start again.